hope you're well and having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new watching this video, you guys know what to do. Hit that subscribe button as we are on our way to 10,000 subscribers, and I would love to hit that this year. So if you haven't subscribed, please make sure you do. In today's video, I am scared, I'm not gonna lie. I was sat thinking about different YouTube ideas and I came up with this idea, and I'm really regretting my decision because in today's video we're going to be trying, testing, reviewing all the Lush products that I hate, which I am really scared, I'm not gonna lie. You guys know that I film a lot of Lush content on my channel. I love a lot of Lush products, and I have been very open in telling you guys which products I personally don't like, and that's not me saying for you guys to never try them. It's my personal opinion, and a lot of the reasons I don't like these products is because of the smell. So it is a personal thing. I can't help that I don't like the smell, but I thought, you know what? It's not fair for me to not just like them because of the smell. So I bought them and we're going to test them in a video, and I am so scared because one of these products makes me feel so uncomfortable that I'm absolutely dreading it. So if you guys want to see me kind of go through these, review them, test them, make sure you carry on watching, grab yourselves a drink, and let's dive in to the products. I'm so scared. So in this part of the video, I'm going to go through what products I bought. I did only buy 3 items, however, that was mainly because I didn't want to waste a load of money on products that I know I don't like. But if this video does well and you guys enjoy this kind of content, I'll definitely do like a part 2, part 3, and maybe we could make it into a series and kind of do that. So let me know down below if that's something you would like to see. But in this part of the video, I'm just going to go through the products I've bought, the ingredients in them, why I don't like them, and then we're going to move on to the clips of me trying the products. Then I'm going to come back, give you a review of each product after I've tried it, and that's going to be the kind of gist of the video. So it's going to be a little choppy because I'm going to obviously have to film this on different days, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Let's go. So the first item, I'm so scared. Okay, the first item we have is the Blue Skies Bubble Bar. Now, if you guys have watched me for a very long time, even when I worked for Lush, this product makes me feel very uncomfortable. I smell it and want to run about 50 miles away. However, I have never actually tried it in a bath when I'm trying to relax and kind of have a pamper, so I bought it. I'm going to undo the packaging and show you what it looks like. Oh, I can smell it already. So this is what she looks like. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you, beautiful, stunning. I can imagine the water being a very beautiful light blue colour, super fluffy bubbles. I can smell it already and it's kind of getting in my space. However, we're going to go through the ingredients. So, ingredients in this one, we have a cream of tartar, sodium lauryl sulfate, cornstarch, patchouli oil, frankincense, resinoid, cinnamon leaf oil, and some colourants and things. And the weird thing is I don't mind patchouli because Karma, I do quite like the smell of Karma because my mum wears Karma, so it kind of like, it's quite a, what's the word, sentimental smell? You guys know what I mean. Frankincense, I don't mind the smell of, and I love the smell of cinnamon because it smells like Christmas. But the combination of the 3, to me, smells like a garden. Oh, it's so not good. No, not for me. Ugh. Makes me, I don't know what it is. It makes me feel uncomfy. Smells like dirt, like garden dirt to me, like a wood, like a wet, rainy moss. Not my vibe. Not my vibe, but it's beautiful. So I can imagine the bath being absolutely stunning. So we are going to give this a try and kind of go through the process of me using it. I'll show you guys what the bubbles look like. I'll kind of give you a review after I've had the bath and that kind of vibe. So yeah, this is the first item, not my fave. Smells gross. The next item on the list is a pretty newish one, I would say, and as soon as I smelt this in the store months ago, I knew that that bath bomb was not my vibe. Not my vibe at all. I do believe actually that the Big Blue Bubble Bar is about £6.95, which when I worked there it was £4.95, or it's £6.50. I can't remember. Very expensive. So I hope you like this video because that was traumatic buying that. But this bath bomb, I'm pretty sure this bath bomb is around £7, and this is the 4:20 PM CBD bath bomb. I'm actually going to Google how much it is because I'm pretty sure it's extortionate. Hang on a minute. Yep, this one is £7. £7. £7. Years ago, the Ickle Baby Bot was £1.95. This is £7. And ingredients wise, let's just go through them. We have got patchouli oil. Again, see? The patchouli oil just making me feel uncomfortable. Pimento berry oil, can't read that. Petitgrain oil, ginger oil, sandalwood oil, celery seed oil, hate celery, absolutely gross. Cade oil, almond oil, hemp seed oil, gardenia extract, and all that jazz. Let's give it a smell. I'm actually dreading it because this one, again, not my vibe. No, I can smell it already. Oh, right. Gross. Okay, granted, it looks really pretty. I love green and pink together. I think it's such a good combo. I think for kind of interior design and stuff, these colours look stunning, like in people's living rooms and stuff. However, this smells like a bonfire. A gardeny bonfire, like a dirty, smoky bonfire, which... no, again, not my smell. I just feel like if I was to choose a bath bomb, I wouldn't want it to smell like this. I don't know what it is. I think my mum would probably really enjoy this. Even my dad, you know, I think he would really like this smell, but this is not my cup of tea at all. Ugh, no, I'm not sure whether this has glitter in it. I can see a kind of glitter, but my question is, would this not go brown? Do you know what I mean? Would it not just turn brown? But anyway, that is the second item, sorry. Third item is the most feared out of all three. I am actually dreading even using it, and if you guys have watched me for a while, put your guesses in the comments below. Pause this video now and tell me the guess for the third item in the comments below, because honestly, I'm actually traumatised that I actually bought it, to be honest. So the third and final item I am going to be testing in this video, Aqua Marina facial cleanser. Now for me, Aqua Marina is the most, I can't even open it. It makes me feel, oh, I can't even describe it. But ingredients wise, we have got calamine powder, kaolin, iris moss gel, aloe vera gel, fine sea salt, nori seaweed, orange oil, patchouli oil. I have heard wonderful things about this. It makes your skin so soft, it's so gentle, but the fact it has seaweed in it makes it just smell like pure fish. Actually, somebody commented on my video and said that it reminded them of a dead mermaid, and that is exactly what this would smell like. Absolutely atrocious. Are you ready? I don't even want to open it. Oh, okay. I just can't. Oh, like, look at that. It's just so gross. It's so gross. I honestly, this could be a life-changing thing, because maybe I'll try this and I'll be like, guys, my skin feels incredible. Or maybe I'll try this and I'll absolutely hate it. I'm not gonna lie, I will use it because I'm not all about wasting products. I know that, like, I don't know, but this is what it looks like. I will insert close-ups of all of these products, but this, absolutely not. It smells like, oh, I can't even smell it again. Ugh, I just nearly gagged then. That, I can't go. The smell of this reminds me of the fish section in like a Morrison's, you know, like the fresh iced fish section. Like, who smells that and goes, oh, yum. Like, no. The seaweed on that makes it smell disgusting, and it's like wet. Oh, no. Absolutely a no-go for me. Honestly, I am dreading putting this on my face. I really am just hoping that I love it and it's like a secret thing that I have been missing out through like all these years. But the smell of this makes me heave. I hate it. I'm dreading it. I am so scared. So if you want to see my reaction to using this, make sure you carry on watching, because no, absolutely not. So those are the 3 products I'm going to be testing in this video. So now we're going to move on to the clips of me testing them. Like I said, then we'll come back and I'll review each product, and that'll be kind of the gist of the video. So let's go into the testing clips. RIP me, I am so scared. So I don't actually know how long it's been since I filmed the intro to this video. I feel like it's been months, and I do apologise. It's taken me so long to kind of use all these products and really give them a good go, but I wanted to do this review video properly and try all the products out properly and give you my honest thoughts and opinions on all the products from Lush that I don't like. So let's start off with the 420 bath bomb. Now, trying this bath bomb, the fragrance alone is enough to keep me away. It's earthy, smoky, woodsy, very strong, very heady in my opinion. It's just a smell that I would never ever associate with relaxation whatsoever, and I'm not gonna lie, I was slightly pleasantly surprised when using this bath bomb that the water didn't initially go brown. I feel like I assumed it was going to go brown, but actually it went a really beautiful shade of like a turquoisey green. It was really, really lovely, and it didn't smell that bad. I feel like it was a lot stronger than a lot of bath bombs I do really enjoy, and it was kind of hard to get over the initial smell because I didn't particularly like it. However, it was definitely a relaxing bath. Would I buy this bath bomb again? I don't think I would. I feel like it's not, the smell is too much for me to not enjoy it, if that makes sense. I don't pick it up thinking, oh, I'm gonna love using this. It's more of a, oh, it kind of smells really strong vibe, and it's just not up my street, so I don't know whether I would purchase it again. My final thoughts on the bath bomb is that I probably wouldn't purchase it again, but I'm definitely glad I tried it because it wasn't as awful as I initially thought it was going to be. So next, moving on to the Blue Skies and Fluffy White Clouds Bubble Bar. Now, if you guys have known me for a long time, you all know that this bubble bar in particular I have avoided using for absolutely years, simply because the smell, again, the smell is just too much for me. It's a smell that I don't enjoy. It's very earthy, very kind of woodsy. Those smells like gardens are not my sort of vibe, so I didn't particularly love the smell of this bubble bar. But what I will say is that the water was a beautiful blue. The bubbles were absolutely incredible. I absolutely loved the way that I got so many bubbles for the amount of product I used, so it wasn't disappointing at all. I just cannot get over the smell, and I think when you're using a bubble bar or a bath bomb, I think a lot of the times the smell is the main factor. You want to enjoy the smell that you're surrounded in, and I just didn't absolutely love it. And last but definitely not least, which I feel like is the grand finale, is the Aqua Marina Facial Cleanser. Now, you're all going to be shocked with my thoughts and opinions on this because I feel like you're expecting me to feel absolutely disgusted with this product, that I absolutely hated it and I will never touch it ever again. However, I actually shocked myself quite a lot. Now, going past the smell, my skin felt incredible. So soft, so supple, so clean and fresh and moisturized, and it was so beautiful. It was kind of like a cleanser that you want for every skin type and every skin, I don't want to say reaction, like result, I suppose. My skin just felt perfect, and I absolutely love the feel of it. It was so beautiful. The actual texture of the cleanser itself was beautifully creamy. It was so easy to apply, and I just really, really enjoyed it, to be honest. I'm not gonna lie to you. The only thing I cannot get by, again, similarly with the other two products, is the fragrance. Now, it wasn't as bad when I was applying it to my skin. You kind of lose that fishy smell, I'm not gonna lie. It kind of gets washed away a little bit, but the instant opening of the pot, it just makes you kind of be put off using it because it smells like salmon. Like, I just cannot justify loving this product when the smell, it smells like the fish counter in a Morrison's. I just cannot fathom why it smells like that, and I know it's wrapped in the seaweed, and I feel like personally the seaweed didn't add any luxuriousness or any moisture to my skin, so it's just not necessary. Get rid of the seaweed, add a little bit of an essential oil in there, and it would be the most beautiful product ever. And I'm not gonna lie to you, I will continue using it because I didn't hate it as much as I initially thought I would hate it, so I am gonna use the rest of my pot. I'm not gonna throw it away, and I will obviously include it in an empties video when I film it and let you know my thoughts after I've used the whole pot. But initially, I don't hate it, and I am shocked to say that on camera, out loud. Aqua Marina and me, we're not enemies anymore. We're kind of like friends of a friend, you know what I mean? Like, we know each other well. I don't love her, but she is decent, she is good, so I don't know, I feel like she could be improved. That's what I feel about Aqua Marina. So I would love to know your thoughts on that down below, because I feel like everybody that hates Aqua Marina probably hates it for the exact same reason I did, and that was for the smell. And I would love to know whether you guys feel up for trying something that you don't necessarily like the smell of, because this was actually really, really fun. So that is everything for this video. I really, really hope you guys did enjoy it. Again, like I said at the beginning of the video, let me know whether you want this to become a series. There are a few other products from Lush which I really despise but have never really tried, to be honest. So let me know if you'd like me to do another one of these. I may do it in kind of a few weeks or a few months time, just to spread it out a little bit, but let me know if it's something you would like to see. And also, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do, because I would really, really love to have you join my corner of the internet, and I would absolutely love to hit 10,000 subscribers. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!